Imagine turning deadly desert into a fruit paradise. Watch this impossible transformation begin right now.
In the heart of the unforgiving desert, resilient apricot trees defy the odds. From barren wasteland to fertile ground, this shocking makeover happens in weeks.
Nutrients flood in. See the dead earth come alive before your eyes.
Extreme heat, zero rain, yet these trees thrive with genius tech. The secret? Precision water drops.
These look good. Ready for the basket now. On my way.
These are looking good today.
Yes, very sweet.
We have a good harvest.
Easy on the lift, bring it back now.
Clee, set it down right there.
All right, doors secure. Watch the apricots on this one.
Yeah, I got it. Keep them coming.
Okay, straight back. Easy, easy. You're clear, hold it right there.
From desert orchards to this state-of-the-art facility, the journey of the apricot continues.
All right, driver, you're all set. Clear the red semi through gate 1, manifest confirmed. Gate opening now.
Coming inside, clear the bay. All right, bring it over here.
This one's no good, put it aside. Here's a good one for the sorter.
The apricots slowly surrender their moisture in precisely controlled heat.
The audio captures the distinct sounds of an industrial cooling process. It begins.
The apricots slowly surrender their moisture in precisely controlled heat. Human judgment complements technology for the perfect bite.
As this is how modern factories produce premium dried apricots from start to finish.